Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm Ella and in this video we are going to create a moon in Revit. That's right, this is a new design that we see everywhere these days and it's actually pretty easy. So let's start. Create a new family in generic model wall based. First I'm going to set my unit in metric system. And then I'm going to change the thickness of this wall. You just need to select it and change it from this part. Then in placement side, I'm going to create a circle with this void. I'm going to select extrusion for it. Select this circle and just create one simply in here. Okay. Now go to left view and extend it to here. Then go to 3D view and delete it from this wall. Use cut and first click on your wall and then select this void. Let's go back to left view and select this void. Copy it on itself and for now let's move it to this part. Move this one to inside the wall a little bit and then I'm going to move this second one to this part. Now let's go to its edit extrusion in placement side and in here I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to use this peak line for it and then I'm going to put it on like 7 centimeter. Delete the outer circle and hit finish. Now again we need to use cut for deleting this part. This second void was for just creating this part for our lighting. Now let's go to placement side and create another extrusion with this circle exactly in this part. Go to left view and let's move it to behind this wall. So we have it exactly inside this circle. Actually, instead of extrusion, we could use revolve for creating some curve in this part. But since we are going to use Enscape, it's not possible to actually use a texture on a curvish face, so we have to use extrusion. Next part is the material, so I'm going to select it from this part and then I'm going to create another material for it. Let's change its name to moon. I have searched a lot for finding a suitable texture for this. As you can see in here, there are lots of different types of texture. If you just search in Google, you can find them. For example, this is from NASA. I downloaded it from their site. And actually it has this displacement map too, which is good if we could use them in Enscape. But since we can't, we are going to use these kind of textures. In this material, the displacement map, the bump texture is more important than the image itself. So first we are going to set our bump. I'm going to check this box and then I'm going to select my texture. You can select something like this, probably this one. These two looks good, but I'm going to select this one for now. Increase its amount and apply. Go to 3D view and put it on realistic. And this is our moon. Go back to material and change its size to, let's say, 3. This is much better. I'm going to use offset for moving it around. Let's go with 1.5. Okay, and move it up a little bit, 50 centimeter. Okay, I think it looks good. Now change its color to something light like this. And also I'm going to give it a little bit light with this self-luminance. I'm going to put it on just like 100. Perfect. Now for its lighting behind this wall, in this part exactly, you can either create another family, lighting family in lighting fixture here, or you can just simply create another extrusion in this part and give it a lighting material. Let's use extrusion. Go to placement side and select extrusion with this circle again and create a circle in this part. Move it down a little bit and use pick line for creating another one with like 1 or 2 centimeter offset inside it. Hit finish and go to left view. I'm going to put it exactly on this wall and after that in here. Now go to its material and create a new material for it, which we are going to call lighting. Now if you click on this material library here and scroll down a little bit, you will find these lightings. Select one and let's go to its setting. In here I want it to be a little bit warmer, so I'm going to change it to something like this. And in this part you can increase its luminance. Let's see how it will look like for now. Okay, let's change it to night light. You saw those beautiful bumps? If you want, you can increase them a little bit more too. This is perfect. This is a decorative family and you can use it in all of your projects whenever you want. I'm going to load it into a project and work on its environment and lighting a little bit more, and I'm going to show you the final work. This is our final result and I think it looks so good. So yes, I hope this tutorial was useful for you and you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!